How are new technologies removing space junk? Imagine miles above Earth, a floating mess of old satellites, rocket parts, and tiny fragments spinning around. This debris can cause real problems for active spacecraft and satellites. So, how are scientists and engineers tackling this cosmic clutter? Well, they're using some pretty clever new tools and ideas. One of the most interesting methods involves special spacecraft equipped with robotic arms or claws. These robotic arms can grab onto large pieces of space junk, like old satellites or rocket stages. For example, Europe's upcoming Clear Space One mission plans to send a spacecraft with a four-armed claw to catch a piece of debris that's been orbiting for over 20 years. Once caught, the debris is guided into Earth's atmosphere where it burns up. This process is similar to the robotic arms used on the International Space Station, but these new systems are designed to work autonomously and handle tumbling or uncooperative objects. Another technique uses nets and harpoons. The Remove Debris mission successfully demonstrated casting a net to trap debris in space. Once caught, the debris can be pulled down into the atmosphere for destruction. Harpoons work in a similar way, latching onto debris so it can be safely removed. These methods are especially useful for capturing smaller pieces that are hard to track or grab with robotic arms. Laser technology is also making waves in space junk removal. Ground-based or space-based lasers can target tiny debris fragments and gently push them into lower orbits. Because these small pieces naturally burn up in Earth's atmosphere, lasers offer a way to clean up without physically grabbing or capturing the debris. This method can handle many small pieces at once, making it a fast and efficient option. Reusability is another key part of new space junk removal tools. Some companies are developing spacecraft that can do multiple missions. For example, Paladin Space's Triton is a reusable satellite that can autonomously capture debris, contain it securely, and then guide it into Earth's atmosphere. These spacecraft can be refilled in orbit, allowing them to remove several pieces of debris during each mission. There's also a system developed by Astroscale that involves a service spacecraft docking with debris and transferring it to a Shepard vehicle. The Shepard then guides the debris into the atmosphere for burnup. After that, the service spacecraft can go on to capture more debris, making the process more cost-effective. To make the cleanup even smarter, companies are deploying satellite networks with sensors and cameras. These sensors can track debris more accurately and predict potential collisions. This helps active satellites avoid dangerous debris and prevents new debris from forming. Some satellites are now built with self-deorbiting tech or made from biodegradable materials like wood that naturally break down after their mission ends. This reduces future debris. Plus, advanced propulsion systems allow satellites to change their orbits or safely deorbit at the end of their life, preventing them from becoming space junk in the first place. All these new technologies work together to make space safer and cleaner. It's like a high-tech cleanup crew floating above us, using robotic claws, nets, lasers, and smart systems to clear up the mess. Did you know some of these missions use giant nets or robotic arms to catch trash miles above Earth? And lasers to gently push tiny debris into the atmosphere? It's a fascinating mix of science and innovation, keeping our orbit clear for future explorers.